Hi! In front of me is CUBOT R19, and today I would like to show you how you can download and apply iOS Launcher on this smartphone. First of all, go into Play Store, tap on the search bar and type in iOS Launcher. Oh, so sorry, let's click. Now you need to install this free app from this developer and open it. Now you need to select Allow in the pop-ups and choose Home button. After that, click on iOS Launcher, select Always or Just Once, and click on Got it. As you can see, Apple Layout was applied successfully on my device, but you can always switch between them by going into Devices Settings, choosing Apps and Notifications and tapping on Default Apps. Over here, go into Home app. Now, when you click on Quick Step, you will go back into Android one, but you can always switch to Apple by tapping on iOS. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!